Our soft capsule filling machine has compact structure and good stability, suitable for food, medicine, cosmetics, chemical and other industries. We have a variety specifications machine for different production capacity, and can provide ordinary or PLC touchscreen control systems. The gelatin film on both sides is transported linearly, without adjustment, and the production is stable. Each system is independently controlled, coordinated and easy to adjust. Equipped with a rotary cage dryer, the capsules can remain in the rotary cage to dry when the goods are rotating forward, and the capsules are transported to the next rotary cage until they are discharged when the rotary cage is reversed. It adopts oil-free or micro-oil lubrication, and the capsule moisture is easy to evaporate, shortening the drying time. Accurate film thickness adjustment, independent film laying control, flexible application to various gelatin solutions and molds, to achieve the maximum utilization of gelatin solution.